When was the last time you actually rested? Really deeply rested? Not scrolling for hours and calling it me time. Not watching 5 shows and waking up mentally exhausted. Not lying in bed while stressing over unread emails. Most of what we call rest just drains us more. We've confused numbing out with actual, meaningful, intentional rest. The world praises hustle, grind, and endless mental performance. If you're not producing something, you feel like you're failing. But we're tired. Tired from work, from people, from pretending. And when we finally get time, we don't know how. We try to rest, but end up feeling even worse. We open Instagram, compare lives, spiral deeper into fatigue. We promise rest after tasks, but that list never ends. We lie down, but still check one more email. We're not lazy. We're lost in productivity and overstimulation loops. Rest isn't laziness. It's intelligence. It's recovery. It's emotional self-protection. Real rest isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing what heals. It's 10 minutes of silence with no phone, just you. It's walking slowly with no fitness goal, just breathing deeply. It's painting, journaling, baking, doodling, without posting any of it. It's laughing with someone, not venting, just pure lighthearted connection. It's saying no to plans without guilt or explanation. If it makes you feel human again, it's real rest. Not all rest looks the same, but all rest matters.
We resist rest because it feels unproductive, and that's the trap. We've tied our value to output, results, visible accomplishments. But here's the truth. Rest is not something you earn. You don't need to finish everything to deserve quiet space. You're not a machine, and even machines shut down to function. Intentional rest restores your energy, clarity, and inner emotional space. So how do you start resting like a pro today? First, schedule it. Block rest in your calendar like gold. Second, protect it. Don't trade it for chores or phone calls. Third, experiment. Try silence, movement, art, solitude, music, or joyful nothing. Fourth, release the guilt. Rest isn't stealing time. It's renewing it. You can't give your best if your tank stays empty. You can't stay strong without time to recharge your mind. Rest isn't weakness. It's your power source for everything meaningful ahead. It's not the reward. It's the strategy that keeps you going. You don't fall behind when you rest. You return with force. Even superheroes need sleep, and so do you, my friend. So now pause and ask yourself this question honestly. Are you truly resting or just avoiding the rest you need?